In this video, I'll show you a super simple solution to scrape your LinkedIn Sales Navigator leads and export it into a CSV file, a spreadsheet, and even sync it directly with your CRM. You won't need to copy and paste a ton of results, and you definitely won't need to implement some kind of confusing code. This is just a simple Chrome extension that gets you results in just a few minutes. And with this solution, you'll not just get a list of names, job descriptions, and LinkedIn profiles, but you'll also get their verified emails and phone numbers. With just a few clicks, you'll get a ready-to-use list of leads perfect for your outreach. Let's jump in. To make this super easy, we're going to use the Wiza Chrome extension to scrape our LinkedIn Sales Navigator results. So first, head over to wiza.co and create a free account if you don't have one already. Once you're signed up, you'll be prompted to install the Wiza Chrome extension. This extension is key. It integrates directly with LinkedIn Sales Navigator and lets you extract your search results with just one click. Now that we're set up, let's get into the fun part. Now, go to LinkedIn Sales Navigator and run a search. This could be based on location, industry, job title, or anything else relevant to your outreach. Now, I'm not going to go too in-depth on LinkedIn Sales Navigator searches in this video, but if you want to dive deeper, check out our ultimate LinkedIn Sales Navigator tutorial on our channel. The link is also in the description of this video to watch it. Okay, so now that you've run your search, you'll now see a beautiful purple Export with Wiza button on the page. This is your one-click solution. Just hit that button and Wiza will start working its magic. Oh, and quick tip. If your search has over 2,500 results, you'll want to split it into smaller searches because LinkedIn limits exports to 2,500 results at a time. Again, we have a more in-depth video on how to do this. It's also linked in the description of this video. Once Wiza has completed the export, you'll be able to view the list within the Wiza dashboard. Here, you'll be able to download detailed data like LinkedIn profile links, job titles, company info, and of course, those verified emails. Wiza flags each email as either valid or risky, so you know exactly which emails are verified and safe to use. I recommend just downloading your valid list to be extra safe. You can download your list as a CSV file to easily import into a spreadsheet or an email outreach platform of your choice. You can also push these contacts directly to your CRM using the native integrations or the Zapier integrations to send the data to wherever you would like. Yeah, it's pretty much magic. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, there is an export limit of 2,500. So if you want to learn how to export over 2,500 leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, just click this link right here, or you can find the video in the description below. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tutorials and sales tips. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.